guys, what's really good? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dymund, and I'm super excited because in this video I'm going to be showing you how I put this hair together from the beginning till the end. So stick around if you want to get to see more. Then stick around. I'm absolutely loving this hair. So we're gonna get right into it, all the details, everything on how I got this color, how I got everything. So stick around and let's get right into it.
Okay guys, so I was sent this hair by Hurela hair. This hair is absolutely stunning. It comes with some gorgeous accessories just there and this wig cap as well. I picked mine up in 150% density, and this is the 13x4 lace frontal. As you can see, it's in the color 613 and it comes in the body wave, and I got my one in the 24 inches. The lace is absolutely gorgeous and it comes well constructed as well, so you get the 3 combs just there, and it also comes with a baby hair too. The hair is so gorgeous. So what I did wanted to do is just tone down the color a little bit, so I did go in with the purple shampoo. As you can see, this technique works each and every time. You just mix a little bit of purple shampoo with warm water and you mix it in a bowl, and then you dip your wig in a couple times, and what that does is it neutralizes the color a little bit. Of course you don't have to do that, I did decide to do it. So if you don't really want to go for that silver look, I would advise to dip it maybe once or twice and just quickly take it out, because I did leave it in just a little bit long. So if you're going for the stormy look, dip it in as many times as you can. Just keep an eye on the color. If you don't want it to be silver, just quickly dip in and quickly dip out. So the hair does come pre-plucked already with the hairline, but I did want to go in just a little bit more so that it can match my natural hairline. After a quick sesh of blow drying the hair, I did go in with my foundation and I applied that all over my lace. Only use a small amount, guys, because this is obviously 316, so you don't want it to bleed through or leak through onto the hair. So do only use the minimal amount, but look how natural it looks. Look how absolutely stunning this has turned out. The hair is absolutely gorgeous. I cannot stress how much this hair is absolutely gorgeous. Really soft to the touch. So the next step I did was laying the lace down. I'm going to let the rest of the video play. Do comment down below actually if you want to see a more detailed video of how I lay my lace down, then please do comment down below. I'll be more than happy to provide that video, but in the meantime I'm going to let the rest of the video play. And also just to mention that I did the bold cap method, okay? So if you guys want to see that as well, then also let me know. As you guys may know, if you watch my hair tutorials, I'm a big fan of using the Got2b yellow bottle spray, but I wanted to try the Ghost Bond glue for this particular install just here. One tip I would say is that let the glue dry, okay? Wait for the glue to dry until it turns clear and then lay your lace down. Like, don't be in a rush with this one. I think maybe that's why I even avoid using it, but as you can see, I'm applying the second layer now because I let the first layer dry completely. It doesn't go through your lace if you allow it to dry clear. If you just apply it on when it's wet, it's literally going to soak through and it's going to mess up the whole thing. So allow your glue to dry first. Okay, so to get rid of that halo effect that you get once you cut off your lace, what I would advise is go in with your spray, your Got2b spray, and just lay that lace down and melt it onto your skin. And listen, it's going to give a really nice seamless look. Do not forget to do that, because otherwise it just shows from where you cut off the lace and you don't really want it to show. You don't want it to be visible. So just go in with your spray. I'm just going in with my wax stick that I use from QUADPAY. You are free to use any type of wax stick, but it definitely comes in handy just to, you know, have all the hairs in one direction and just to give a really nice clean look as well. So what I like to do is part the hair into small pieces, and then I apply the wax stick in between the partings so that when I go in with my hot comb, it gives a really nice flat look. You don't have to do the step, of course, you can miss it, but I just feel like it gives me a better flat look if that's what you're after. So there you have it, Bob's your uncle. Like, I did go in a little bit actually, just to mention, with my hair straighteners as well, but yeah, I mean, this hair, it was pretty simple to do, pretty straightforward. I had no complications at all. Just go ahead and apply some of your powder on the hairline just to give a nice finished look as well. But you know, Bob's your uncle, the hair's done.
Actually proper messed up my eyelashes because I was supposed to like snip it to make it shorter. I cut off the shorter side rather than the end, so I cut the ends. So I'm gonna let you guys guess which one, because right now I'm feeling a little bit tall. I'm feeling a little. No one's gonna know. No one's gonna notice. No one is going to notice, I guarantee you. For real, for real. But anyways, let me go ahead and go finish getting dressed, and then I'll see you guys down here in about 3 minutes.
And here we have it, guys. The hair is done and the hair is absolutely gorgeous. Do not forget, you can use the codes that you have been seeing on the screen to save some money. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. I love the way that it's turned out. Make sure you check out the description box because it's going to give you all of the details that you need in purchasing this wig. Thank you again so much for watching this video. I love and I appreciate you guys so much. And I will catch you guys on another video. Thank you for watching. Bye.